Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Because I have a mask on. Here's 5 tips in case if you want to make comics. Sorry for the corny intro, but practically the first tip would be, you want to make sure you only do the most important actions of the scene in your panels. So really what I mean by that is practically, in animation, they're doing like every frame, every single movement. You can see that, what's happening. But in comics, if you just do every single frame, it could be like thousands and pages long just for like one part. So they only do the most important, like one panel, one person would be lunging, and then the next would be a punch. My second tip is just an art tip in general, like always make sure to have a rough draft, or at least like Stickman, and then you could start to add your characters into a way. So it's kind of like what I just did here. Now I'm kind of starting to trace it out with my rough sketch. For this one, it's also mainly about the writing and images. Make sure it's very clear what is happening. So let's say you shoot a rocket in the air or something, and then it crashes on a planet. One panel you have the rocket, then the planet, and then the rocket in rubble. So, that's a bit confusing. So, in the planet panel, you'd probably add the rocket in the background or an explosion to make it very clear. Alright, this one's a little smaller. This is a really common mistake artists often make when doing comics. But practically, it's like wind or pow effects. It's always very vital, though it doesn't sound like it's that important. You could either have a giant monster crushing someone, by hugging them in a way. People would think that they're friendly for hugging, so you gotta make sure there's effects to make it very clear. People don't think it's that important, but it really is. It's genuinely. I learned that one from my dad, and honestly, I'm glad I listened because I feel like all the comics I draw are so much better from it. So this one you could really survive with. It's the last tip, so it's a big one, but you don't really need it. Though I feel like when you do, it really makes your comic pop, and I think it would be a lot more enjoyable to read. So practically what I'm saying is you color it. Color your background, color your characters. It always makes it look a bit better. But there are some things that really make it important. What if you have 2 characters that look really similar, like Spider-Man or Venomized Spider-Man? You can't tell who is who unless if you color them. Because then one has a black suit and one has a red suit. It's easy. And so that was my final tip. I'm going to quickly finish up this drawing of Monkey D. Luffy versus some random guy. And just try to enjoy the video. I recommend these tips, and I think it helped me a lot. For some reason, when I sped it up at the end, it started to get glitchy. So, let me show you the final product. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. It really supports me as a small content creator so I can make more stuff like this.